Okay na.
Kain po tayo, kain. Meron po tayong binagoongan. Tas gulay. Ginataang langka.
Okay, and number 2 we have Nicki Minaj. Who's that? Oh, what is that? Do you guys hear that? Yeah, White Angel. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. Number 1 is BTS. Okay, wait. I got Nicki Minaj. Tata got Roses. Monique got Rihanna. And NIE's got eyes. Who got BTS? Welcome to heaven, Mama.
Okay na?
Sarap.
Hanggang sa pag-ubos niya.
Stop mo.
Stop ko na.